so excited.
So excited! So excited!
Welcome back to Michael's Opinion, where I give my opinion, you leave yours below in the comments. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome. So I'm so excited. I know it's been a long time since I've been gone. I've been trying to post, but life happens. I know y'all seen the title of this video, but I finally got my, well, not finally, I actually got it yesterday. I got it a little early. Today is August the 1st. I actually got it yesterday on the 31st, so I got it the morning of launch day. I have not opened anything, I haven't smelled anything, I haven't tried anything. Only thing I did was open this box, and this is what it looks like when you get it. Love the inside of the box, and I love the pastel colors. So I posted on my Instagram yesterday. I haven't tried anything. I was like, okay, Michael, do not open this. You need to, you know, wait for the video. Okay. So first, opening the the box. When I look at this, is the Total Cleanser Remove It All Cleanser. Here's the product. This is what it looks like when you get it. So I know Rihanna's really known for her packaging, but the first thing I noticed was that this is how it stands. So this is how it stands. The bottom here is where the actual product comes out. So if I actually wanted to stand this on my sink like this, not very cleanly, because I mean, you can keep a clean sink, but you know what I mean? Like I kind of wish that this had maybe like a cap or something on top of it, because if I were to just sit this on my sink, or if I'm traveling, you know, I'm in a hotel or whatever, and I sit down on the sink, I don't know, quite like that. So you basically have to have it laying this way, I think, to at least keep it from touching all over the place. As you can see, I haven't opened it at all. This is a little seal breaker. So I have no idea what it smells like, what it feels like. So Fenty Skin's Total Cleanser Remove It All Cleanser retails for $25. Hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. I don't wear makeup, but you know, that's what they're talking about. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this, break the seal. Ooh, oh my, it smells so good. I think all of these products do have fragrance in them, and I've heard that the sunscreen has the most fragrance in it. So if you don't like fragrance in your products, I would watch out for that. But with like a sweeter smell, like a sweeter, more fruity smell. But I don't think it's strong at all. Like, this is not a product where you're gonna open it and be like, whoa, this is too much. So I'm gonna squeeze it out. Oh, it's like pink. Yeah, it's like a salmon color, like a raw salmon color. So it's like a very thick quality cleanser. It feels like that. And kind of, let me see. Can y'all hear that? It's the lather it's giving. Nice thick lather. It smells so good. It smells so good, like for real. It smells good. It's very thick and creamy. It's a very like luxurious feel. And the smell and experience, Rihanna is very much into like a fragrance experience. And it gives you enough that you can smell it, but it's not overpowering. It's just like, it's sort of like a nice sensory experience. But it feels really, really good on the skin. All right, so I've washed the cleanser off my face. My face feels very clean. But my face feels super clean. It feels very, very soft. Like super soft. My skin does not feel stripped at all. My skin doesn't feel like super dry. I'm a little bit, my beard isn't, you know, not everything is together because I just woke up. But my skin feels really, really, really good. So step 2 in the process is the Fenty's Fat Water. So this is the Fenty Fat Water. Again, I haven't opened it at all, but I was wondering why when I got the package, this did not come with a seal on top of it, but this one did come with a seal on top of it. Fenty Skin's Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum.
This way.
Fenty Skin Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum retails for $28. Instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, even skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. I've heard that Rihanna has an oily type of skin, which I do as well, so I very much appreciate any type of oil control in my skincare product. This is the second product I've tried that's mentioned oil control. Vegan, it's gluten-free. All right, let's get into it. So it's got the same kind of top as the cleanser, same situation. My hands even feel good, like, interesting. You can squeeze the bottle a little bit, but it does kind of drip out. I would do a skincare video the one time that I actually have a friggin' pimple. Anyway, so I applied the fat water. It feels like it does a good job at giving a little bit of moisture, but also controlling any excess like sebum and any excess oil on your skin. And I definitely feel like these products are kind of skin firming, but I'm here for the fat water. So the next product is the Hydra Visor. So it comes in this box. This is the Hydra Visor box. When you order the sunscreen, it's gonna ask you if you're in the USA or Canada. And I believe that's because this is a chemical sunscreen, and the chemicals that the USA uses compared to other countries may be different. On the box, it's listed that it's a light, airy hydration and visible sun protection, defends and brightens skin while reducing the look of pores, and it's oil free. I don't know if you guys can see that, but she does mention on the box that it is safe for coral reefs. So that's, you know, that's a positive. So when you open the box, it comes in these two packages. This is not two sunscreens. This is the sunscreen, and this is the packaging that's gonna hold the sunscreen. So this is the actual sunscreen bottle. This is the actual sunscreen bottle that holds the sunscreen. So this is something that you will be able to buy. This is the refill this, so you can buy another one of these and then put it inside of this packaging. So this goes in here like so. There we go. So it just pops in there like that. You use this bottom, you twist it like that, and it comes up. It's also really good for traveling because you can go ahead and twist it up to use it, twist it down, and you can lock it in place, and it's not gonna be, it's a hard product, so it's not gonna be pressed, you know, by anything on top of it. Like a soft touch kind of feel. The Hydra Visor Invisible Moisturizer, that rhymed. The Hydra Visor Invisible Moisturizer, broad spectrum. It has an SPF of 30. It retails for the whole thing is $35, and the refills are $30. It is a 2-in-1 sunscreen and moisturizer that's lightweight, oil-free, truly invisible on all skin tones. If you don't know, she mentions that it's invisible on all skin tones because there are certain sunscreens for darker skin tones, people with melanin, that will have a white cast on your skin. So this is not supposed to do that. Thanks, Rihanna, because that's not cute. So let's go ahead and get into it. It's new. So there's the product. Again, this has like that salmon color. Oh, I don't need too much. It has sort of a lavender, like a pastel purple. It feels very quality. There's a oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells so good. I don't think, just for a fragrance aspect, I don't think any of these products have a really strong fragrance. It's just a nice like experience. I have oily skin, so I don't really put too much moisturizer on. And also normally I like to use a water gel. It's a little bit lighter, doesn't clog my pores, and it doesn't leave me feeling like I have a film of Vaseline and oil on my face. It's similar to like a Neutrogena sunscreen for your face. It doesn't smell like, you know how you put sunscreen on and you smell like you have sunscreen on? I don't get that from this product, and I've got that from some other facial sunscreen products before. If anything, I smell the soft, sweet scent that is meant to be smelled. This is 4K, so don't judge my blemishes. But I don't feel like this is too heavy for me to put on, go out, and then feel like I've got protection from the sun. And then also I'm not feeling like there's, you know, Crisco on top of my face. For sunscreen, don't put the sunscreen on and go straight out in the sun. Just make sure you put the sunscreen on and wait. I think it's 30 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. Also, you need to reapply it every 2 hours. I feel like it has a really nice healthy glow. In my opinion, I feel like the scent is very light. So overall, for all of these products, the cleanser, I definitely give that a thumbs up. Oh shit. Honestly, these are my first impressions, so I can't really say how long term this is gonna be, but I'm definitely gonna be using this every day. Probably buy some more because it smells so freaking good and it feels really nice. The only thing that I don't like is the packaging. I kind of wish this had a cap on it, or if it was sort of packaged a little bit more like this bottle. It smells good, it's very thick, it lathers really, really well, so this could last you a really long time. The next step in it is the Fenty Fat Water. Love this stuff as well. I think this will be really good for controlling oil and just kind of giving a really nice even tone to the skin. And I like that it's thick, so you literally can just put this on your hands and put it on your face. You don't have to like get a cotton pad. And the very last product is the Fenty sunscreen and moisturizer. I don't really use sunscreen on my face because I don't like oils and things on my face because my skin is already oily. But this feels really, really nice. I think it provides good moisture, and it also gives your face a really nice healthy veil across your face. So I definitely would recommend this as well. Overall, I think this is a really good starter skincare product. This feels like it is quality, you know what I mean? So I definitely would recommend all 3 products. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will hopefully see you guys very, very soon. Peace.